Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to sum based on multiple criteria in Excel. In this example, I have sales data and my goal is to sum the sales for 2 of these products. Before we do this, let's try an example with one product. If you are given a sales data and you want to find the total sales for one product, you can use Excel's SUMIF. What SUMIF does is it sums based on a given criteria. So here, let's say we are using pair as a criteria for summing. It requires 3 things. The first one is the range. A range refers to the column where your criteria sits in the data set. So this is my range, or also known as the criteria range. So I've selected my criteria range, and you bring your comma and then you proceed to put in your criteria. So I have a single criteria here. The third requirement is your sum range, which is basically where the numbers will be summed from. In most cases, the height for the criteria range and the sum range, in fact, should be the same. So that is for a single case. Now I have a situation where, so if I enter, I get only 4 pair, which is this plus this. Now what if I want to add mango in the same calculation? To do this, we will do a little edit on the criteria. So we are going to house the criteria in curly brackets and then separate these two with a comma. So I have mango here, and then I'll close my curly brackets. So all I've done is added a second criteria and I've put them in a curly bracket. Range remains the same, sum range remains the same. Now, when I evaluate this, I'm going to get 914938, representing total sales for pear and mango. Excel cannot work with these numbers in this form. So what I need to do is to put sum around the original formula, and then I press enter. So now I have total sales for pear and mango. So let's check pear, and the 2 mangoes gives us 1852. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. You can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.